So today we are gonna unbox this Puma Ferrari Kart Cat Mid Tops Rosso Corsa red color. We got this at the amazing price of 3,509 with offer. It is a limited time offer. Let us unbox this shoe. But actually I already unboxed this once. So this is the product. Puma Ferrari shoe. Rosso Corsa red color. It is inspired from the Ferrari racing theme. Sorry, I have already worn it yesterday, so it is little bit dirty. So this is the shoe. You can see it is a high top. Puma branding here, or Puma branding here. It's Ferrari logo. The shoe is very beautiful, as you can see. We have the both systems. So this is both system. You can use this also. Use this lace system also. This is 9 number size. See, original Puma is. We get this design, racing inspired. These are motorsport shoes. They are very comfortable. This second pair, Ferrari logo, Puma branding. And one interesting thing I can show you that it is a little bit dirty because yesterday I have worn it. It is written on the right side of the shoe. It is written power, and on the left side of the shoe it is written brake. Power means the accelerator pedal of the car, and this brake means the brake pedal of the car, because it is inspired by Ferrari racing. So thank you for watching the video.